You try to open a game or application, but Windows blocks you with a frustrating error. The code execution cannot proceed because VCRUNTIME140.dll was not found. Do not panic. I will show you how to fix this safely and quickly.
The ultimate solution is installing the official Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Navigate to the official Microsoft download page. Make sure you download both the x86 and the x64 versions. Install both packages and restart your computer.
If you already have the packages installed, they might be corrupted. Open your Windows control panel, go to Programs and Features, and locate the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Right-click each version and select Repair to restore the files.
You can also run system scans to automatically repair missing components. Search for Command Prompt, right-click to run as administrator, and type sfc/scanow. Windows will scan your system files and replace any damaged DLL files.
This error happens because the C++ runtime libraries are missing, outdated, or deleted. Warning: never download individual DLL files from third-party websites, as they often contain malware or viruses. Always stick to official Microsoft sources.
Your VCRUNTIME140 error should now be completely resolved. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more quick tech solutions, and leave a comment below.